Hi. Would you like to buy some cookies, sir?
Yes.
You would?
Yeah.
Well, I don't have cookies. I was lying. Don't look at the light like that. You're gonna blind yourself. Okay, Jake. What do we have, buddy?
We have this today. We want to make our own underwater volcano.
Own underwater volcano.
Oh wait.
Yeah, underwater volcano. No, it's not upside down. Okay, another one with tape. I should have took the tape off before we started. Okay, 2 pieces of tape. Luckily, this one's a little faster. Okay.
Okay, and we cleaned this our table.
You want to open this up? Show us what's inside, man.
Plastic pieces for the volcano. That's a small piece.
Oh yeah, it's a little guy.
There are instructions.
I think this is a comes with a poster too. Most of these kits all come with cool posters that tell you about. This one's about volcanoes, and then we have the other one for our crystals that we made the other day, which is right here.
Wow, this house
We have a poster for those that talks about these crystals.
That is mine. Here is our tank for it.
The tank. That's a cool tank. We could probably even keep that, and
Oh, that's good.
we could probably keep that and do other stuff with it.
What?
This? I don't know. Bigger something. Something.
Piano in there.
The what? Piano?
Yes.
What ain't got a bit of piano in that? This is a little baby one. Okay. So, I'm guessing this is a backdrop. Okay. Did it come with instructions? Is there a paper anywhere? Oh. Okay. So it's in here. It's in here.
Where's the water?
Well, we have to put our own water, I'm sure. I don't think they want to pack it with water and it explode everywhere. I don't know if I can do this. See, I'll use my knees.
I will do it for us. Come, Papa. Oh
Whoa!
my. Whoa.
Hold on. Okay. See.
Does it have only one picture?
It's half a volcano, so that's how it fits in there. And what is this thing? I'm guessing this is what does the, yep, says fizzing.
Oh!
Yeah, fizzing
I
powder.
just did something I broke it.
You broke it!
I didn't break it. I
Oh,
guess.
what'd you do?
I guess you just put the ball in and then put it back on and it won't fizz.
Oh, man. Okay. We need, because there's other things in here too.
You break it.
They're squishy, whatever they are. I think it's maybe feet for the thing. Let's read these instructions. So let's let's pause the video real quick and let's read these instructions, and we'll be right back after this message from Jacob.
Brushing. Step 2.
Step 2? Okay. So, because I don't have 4 hands, I did this off camera. I put the Velcro strips on the bottom of the tank and on the bottom of the volcano to hold the volcano in. And then I taped the backdrop onto the back of the tank. So that's that. And then now the instruction says that we had to open the volcano up. So go ahead and open it up. Okay, lay it flat and then put the ball inside. Okay, and then close it back up. Got it? We did it. Okay, now we have to fill our tank up.
That's when we just put our volcano.
Fill our tank up 3/4 of the way with water. And that's not going to be enough. Alright, second cup of water. Gotta get this thing 3/4 of the way, which I would say that is probably 3/4 of the way. So now I want you guys to see it too. So let's go like this. Watch your head down. Okay, go ahead and here, let me get this. I gotta put it in. It's gotta touch the Velcro strips.
What happens
Okay.
if fizz? Don't fizz already.
Whoa, look at that. That is pretty cool, huh?
It's got crystals down.
What? Don't put our crystals in there. Look
Why?
at that volcano, guys.
Yeah.
That is pretty crazy.
What happens when we put stuff in there?
You put what?
What happens when
Stuff
we
in there?
put- Yeah, with it.
It might stain it red. Let's put a little bit more water. Still going? I think it's gonna go for a while.
What happens when we keep it on for at night? Then we'll see what happens in the morning time.
Yeah. I don't think it'll last that long though.
I think it's pretty long.
Even there's bubbles on the top. Huh?
Yeah.
That's cool.
This is so cool. Yeah. It's getting red.
Did it stop? That's it.
Yep.
Alright, that's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah. That's cool.
Look at the water. That looks nice.
But what is in it?
That?
Yeah.
That's probably the leftover of the ball. It's kind of still fizzing a little. See it?
You want to take it out? Sure.
No, leave it in there. Let it go ahead and let it dissolve. We have to get some more of those tablets so we can do more volcanoes, huh? Maybe a blue volcano next time.
Oh yeah, blue
It's pretty
volcano.
cool. Or a green volcano.
Or a brown volcano.
A brown?
Yes.
We could do a chocolate volcano
And we can eat it.
and eat it.
Yeah.
Ew.
Okay, I want to go play Minecraft with one of my friends.
What? Okay, you gonna say bye to everybody for the video or what, man? Jeez, you can't just take off.
I'm playing Minecraft. I'm playing
Okay.
Minecraft.